Hey everybody, I'm going to show you what this transform button over here does. If I right click on this font or the word move, you're going to see it's right here. And it's not the same as the one over here. As you can see, there's rotate left, rotate 90 degrees left and right, flip horizontal, flip vertical, but those are up here. I've pretty much gone over those. That's pretty simple. But if I click the transform button, you're going to see all this stuff underneath here change. And notice I can move things and give things specific numbers. So say I want to give this, and I want to italicize the word move, I could skew it. And notice you can see I already have it at -15. So if I hit apply, notice I've just italicized it. Of course, I can give it a positive number. And let me go just Control Z that. Let's give it a positive. Let's go 15. No, it goes the opposite direction. And I always have to hit that apply button. Boom. And it's done. Now notice you're going to see this little dot right here. It tells you where to make the transformation. So if I want to rotate it, maybe I will pick a spot. I can pick it from here, and things will rotate off this point down here. Really simple. I keep things just in the middle just because I think it's easier, and it's just something that I prefer. But by all means, go ahead and try that out. But I can rotate something 100, 90 degrees or 45 degrees or whatever I want to do right here. But that's one of the cool things about transform. If I don't want to type something in, I have the ability to actually, as you can see, do it arbitrarily or do it by vision. As you can see, I have them both right here. I can rotate it. As you can see right there, I'm getting the rotate thing. And you can see the angle changing right up here. Let's put that back to 0. But notice I can skew it, and I can do it like this. And it looks really, really kind of cool. Now, it doesn't show up here. That's for the person that wants a specific number. That's where it's going to be. And of course, you're going to hit the apply button. But if you're just one of those visual persons like me, I'm very aesthetic. I like to see things visually. That's how I do it. And again, I can pick that up even over here. Look at this. I can pick it up right here. And I can change it like this. And notice how I'm changing things like that. So it's really kind of neat. It's that extra added thing to it. Rather than just flipping it left and right, change it at 90 degrees, I can be very specific. I can do all kinds of cool things. I can put into my numbers and then hit my apply and change that. So that transform button right here is really kind of neat. It has a lot more to do it. Once you're done, hit the transform button again, and notice it moves back to where you have it, where I can change things, the sizes of it, and I can scale it and do whatever I want. Now, that's just as a text, okay? Let's go back and go Control Z. Let's go through all this again, bring back to my normal move. I can also do it if I want to create this not just in text, maybe I want to create this into shapes. So I'm going to convert it to paths. I'm also going to split it, so I can do that two ways. I can say split path here, or I can come to modify, path, split path, and notice each one now is an individual shape. Let's make that O perfect the way it should be. So let's select those two. I've got them selected over here. You can see them both selected. Come here and do a subtract. And now I can do the same thing with my transformation. Click it here. Let's make it bigger. Let's move it here. And let's skew it this way. Let's move it over a little bit more. Hit that transform. We're bringing it a little thinner. But notice how I'm having fun with that transformation. I'm going to go ahead and do this first. Let's rotate it. Because, when I think of move, I think of things moving around all different directions. And here, it's kind of, I'm going to skew it this way too. Where is it? Where is it? I'm finding it. Got to find it. There it is. It's a little tough that way, but I don't mind. It's well worth it when you do it. Hit that transform. Let's make it a little thicker. And notice I'm just kind of manipulating each letter individually by that beautiful transform button. And I absolutely love it. Yeah, I'm going to do that like that. Like that. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger, but I just can do it like there. But that's that little button over there. That word transform has so many more implications. So try that transform button there. I think it's one of those hidden gems that is really kind of cool.